Right, as this. Yeah, not a base fire.
Sauce?
Yeah, they bought did those dudes just get no wood? They came, funny story, they actually came up here and bought a bunch of WS6 parts, put it on that FIREBIRD, had it repainted back when they owned it. And then we bought it, and then come to find out, like I moved some stuff, and there was like red paint. So, based on the FIREBIRDs, don't have a pass-through spoiler. That's what it is. It looks like it, but it curves up when it's sitting. WS6 has a pass-through spoiler. Because I didn't have a WS6 and mine was factory pass-through. But again, everything was weird about my